Imagine if just one simple move could completely transform your body, giving you the power to feel stronger, burn more fat, and even boost your confidence, all in one go. Sounds impossible? Think again. Today, we're talking about the mighty squat. Squats aren't just an exercise for your legs. They're a total body game changer that can enhance your entire life. Ready to unlock the secret? Let's dive in. Transformational benefits of squats. 1. Core of steel. Unlocking true core strength. Forget crunches. Every time you squat, you're engaging your entire core, front, back, and sides. Think of your core as a shield for your spine. The deeper you go, the stronger that shield becomes. Imagine walking around with a rock-solid core that not only looks great but keeps your back safe from injuries. Squats build functional strength that carries into everyday life, whether you're lifting a box, playing sports, or just moving with ease. Core strength isn't just about aesthetics, it's about stability and control. Want to prevent back pain? Squats are your secret weapon. 2. Resilient joints. Enhanced flexibility and stability. Feeling stiff or worried about joint pain? Squats aren't just about muscle, they're about building resilience. Each squat strengthens your knees, hips, and ankles, enhancing stability and flexibility. Picture yourself bounding up stairs, dancing without discomfort, or carrying heavy bags with ease. Squats create a body built for life, free from falls and strains. And guess what? Studies show that squats can actually reduce the risk of injury by improving joint alignment and balance. 3. Metabolism on fire. Supercharge your fat burn. Want to torch calories even while you're relaxing? Squats engage your biggest muscle groups, turning your metabolism into a fat-burning engine. The larger the muscles you activate, the more energy your body consumes. That's why squats are a powerhouse for weight loss. Bonus tip: add dumbbells or kettlebells to your squats for a metabolic boost that melts fat fast. Imagine turning every squat into a step toward your dream body. Think of it as burning fat on autopilot. 4. Posture reimagined. Confidence starts with strength. Posture is power. When you squat regularly, your body realigns itself. Shoulders back, spine straight, and every step filled with purpose. Imagine walking into a room and owning it with your presence. Good posture doesn't just make you look taller and slimmer, it radiates confidence and charisma. Squats aren't just a workout, they're a ticket to unstoppable self-assurance. A strong, aligned posture also means less strain on your back and fewer headaches caused by poor alignment. 5. Leg mastery. Sculpted strength and beauty. Let's talk about legs that turn heads. Squats sculpt your quads, hamstrings, and glutes into works of art. Every rise and fall tightens and strengthens. Squats are like a master sculptor for your lower body, chiseling definition and power with each representative. Want to level up? Try variations like goblet squats, jump squats, or sumo squats. Each variation targets different muscles, enhancing both size and symmetry. Visualize legs that feel like steel and move like magic. And don't forget, strong legs mean better performance in sports, dancing, and everyday movement. 6. Hormonal boost. Amplify strength and recovery. Did you know that squats can increase the production of anabolic hormones like testosterone and growth hormone? These hormones are essential for muscle growth, strength, and even fat loss. Think of squats as a natural performance enhancer that optimizes your body's chemistry. Whether you're chasing gym records or personal health goals, this hormonal boost fuels faster recovery and enhanced athletic performance. 7. Bone density and vitality. Build an unbreakable frame. Bone density naturally decreases with age, increasing the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. But resistance exercises like squats stimulate bone growth, making your skeleton more resilient. Every squat you do is an investment in long-term strength. Imagine growing older with a body that's unbreakable and full of vitality. 8. Functional power. Real-life strength gains squats mimic everyday movements like sitting, standing, and lifting. This makes them one of the most functional exercises you can do. Imagine grocery shopping, hiking, or playing with kids, all made easier with a body powered by squats. Functional fitness isn't just about looking good, it's about living better. Strengthening these primal movement patterns through squats makes your daily life feel effortless. 9. Cardiovascular boost. Ignite heart-pounding endurance squats are not just strength building, they also get your heart racing. High representative squats or explosive jump squats turn your legs into a cardio machine, increasing cardiovascular endurance and stamina. Pair them with lunges or burpees for a full body workout that leaves you breathless, in the best way possible. 10. Holistic body rejuvenation. Strength, balance, and agility. Finally, squats build a body that feels as good as it looks. Imagine flexibility, strength, balance, and power all working together seamlessly. A body that can handle whatever life throws at it, and look amazing doing it. Squats also improve neuromuscular coordination, helping your brain and muscles communicate more efficiently for fluid movement. Maximize your squat routine. Tips and variations. 1. Start with bodyweight squats. Master the basics before adding weight. 2. Go deep for maximum gains. Aim for thighs parallel to the floor or lower. 3. Incorporate variations. Use goblet squats, Bulgarian split squats, or single leg pistol squats to target different muscle groups. 4. Add weight gradually. Increase resistance safely by adding barbells or dumbbells. 5. Slow down your tempo. Pause at the bottom to intensify the movement. Consistency is the secret. Even just 5 minutes of squats a day can unlock a whole new version of you. Start small, stay committed, and watch your body transform. Consistency. The key to transformation. So, are you ready to build strength, burn fat, and boost your confidence? Start squatting now, because the future of your body begins today. Stay tuned for more powerful tips to elevate your fitness. Let's crush those goals together.